Hello! Greetings mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po natin mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-spacers na nakikinig po ngayon worldwide and netwide. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is your Skywatcher, ka-spacer, and Space Commander Sir Jun Cajigal. And welcome to another of our telescope vlogs. So for today's video, we will review this telescope. This is a vintage telescope. This is a Mizar Hino refracting telescope. The diameter of the objective lens is 68 mm and a focal length of 1000 mm. So before we continue with this telescope vlog, don't forget to like and share this video and follow us on our TikTok and Facebook, the Skywatchers Society of Las Piñas. So before we continue, let's watch this fantastic intro. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that fantastic intro. So going back to our telescope review, this is my Mizar refracting telescope. The diameter of the objective lens is 68 mm and a focal length of 1000 mm. When I saw this at Facebook Marketplace, I realized that this is a vintage telescope, so I did not hesitate. Talagang kinuha ko agad tong telescope na ito. Alright, and we have been using this telescope in our free public telescope viewings. So ang kagandahan nito, hindi siya masyadong malaki. The telescope is not too large and it is not too small. So tamang-tama lang and very portable po siya. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's dive into the details of this Mizar refracting telescope. Come on, let's go! Alright, mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-spacers, so let's take a look at this telescope. This is again my Mizar refracting telescope. A refracting telescope uses lenses to collect the light from the distant object and produces its magnified image. Now for this telescope, the diameter of the objective lens is 68 mm while the focal length is 1000 mm. But the telescope is not too large and it's not too small, so very portable po siya. And that's what I like about the telescope. It's portable. Hindi siya masyadong malaki at hindi din siya masyadong maliit. Alright? Okay, so meron siyang cap nung binili ko. Yan. Alright, yun na nga, to protect the objective lens. Okay, ito yung kanyang telescope cradle. Ngayon, the only downside of this is that I cannot open the telescope cradle to mount the telescope tube. So, ang gagawin ko dito so that I can mount the telescope optical tube is that I have to remove the objective lens casing and insert the entire body tube dito sa cradle. Wala kasing opening, wala siyang buksanan unlike my other telescope mount. Ito parang tightening screws lang ito eh. Pero if you want to remove the telescope body tube from the mount, you have to remove the objective lens ito unscrew itong objective lens so that you can remove the entire body tube. Kasi wala siyang, you cannot open the telescope cradle. Yun lang yung downside. So, pag laging yung ini-screw, unscrew, baka maano yung threads ng body tube eh. Yun ang concern ko. Alright. So, yun lang yung wala siyang, ito lang, these are tightening screws para mahigpit yung body tube dito sa telescope cradle saka sa mount. Alright, so maganda yung kanyang finder scope. May crosshair siya at meron din siyang takip. Yan, para pag magsa-solar viewing kami, pwede ko siyang takpan para hindi sumilip yung mga tao dito pag solar viewing. Yan, alright. Okay, so ito yung kanyang focuser. Maganda yung focuser niya, rack and pinion. Meron siyang lock. Yan, para hindi kagad ma-out of focus. Ayan. Okay, and talagang vintage siya. Yung barrel diameter is 0.95. Yan, meron siyang diagonal, star diagonal. Yung eyepiece niya is, yung kinuha ko to, is also 0.95. Later, palitan natin ito. Nakabili ako sa Lazada ng 1.25 na adapter nito. So, mamaya, we will unbox that and i-install natin dito. Alright. Yan, nagustuhan ko to kasi vintage siya talaga eh. Alright. Yan, so ano siya, EQ mount siya. And ito yung mga slow motion knobs. This is the right ascension. Ito naman is the declination. Okay. Meron din siya ditong smaller na. Pwede nyo itong galawin. You can twist this. Kung ayaw nyo ito. O dito din sa declination na meron din. Ito. Alright. Yan, maganda. Maganda siya. EQ mount siya. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang counterweight and wooden tripod legs. Ito yung kanyang eyepiece holder. Kaya lang yung mga butas is 0.95. Alright. So, ayan. That's the telescope itself. Later, papalitan natin ito. Gawin nating 1.25 barrel diameter siya para mag-fit yung mga latest eyepieces. Kasi ang downside nito kasi yung field of view, hindi masyadong malaki yung field of view. Alright, so that's the Mizar refracting telescope. Diameter of the objective lens is 68 mm and a focal length of 1000 mm. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers, so ito po yung dalawang components that we will install sa ating Mizar refracting telescope para ma-upgrade po natin yung kanyang focuser eyepiece kasi yung original po niya, the original barrel diameter of the telescope is 0.95 and medyo maliit, no, yung kanyang field of view hindi masyadong malaki. Mas maganda kasi kung malaki yung focal, yung kanyang field of view. Alright, so i-upgrade po natin siya. So I got this is an 𝗕𝗏𝗁𝗍. Ito yung parang adapter niya, pero I don't know kung matatawag natin na adapter. Pero ito po yung component. Ayan. Pero ang kukunin lang natin, the only component that we will install is this. Ayan, ito. Itong isa, hindi na natin to gagamitin. So, ilagay lang po natin siya sa kanyang box. Ayan. ito yung ating i-install sa telescope. And bumili na rin po ako ng star diagonal that will fit dito. So, 1.25 barrel diameter itong star diagonal. So, itong part nito will fit here. Ayan. Then, higpitan natin. Then, i-screw natin to dun sa focuser. Ayan. Okay, then ikakabit natin yung standard 1.25 barrel diameter eyepiece dito. Alright, mga ka-Skywatchers, so ito po yung component or components that will be installed para ma-upgrade po natin yung focuser barrel diameter from the original 0.95 to 1.25. Yan, para medyo makabitan natin ng standard 1.25 eyepiece na medyo malaki yung field of view. Para maganda yung viewing ng mga sisilip sa telescope. Alright. Okay, so samahan niyo po ako. Kabitan na natin. Let's go! Okay, mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers, so babalik po tayo dito sa focuser part ng ating Mizar refracting telescope. Ayan, so this is a 0.95 barrel diameter focuser. Ito yung kanyang star diagonal. Ito naman yung 0.95 barrel diameter eyepiece. So papalitan natin ito with the new component na pinakita ko kanina. Alright, so ito yung before. So we will count to 3 at magbabago po yung component niya. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, mga ka-Skywatchers, ito na po yung bagong component. This is now the component na pinakita ko kanina. Ito na yung 1.25 barrel diameter adapter. So na-upgrade na natin siya. Ito po yung star diagonal kanina na 1.25 din, and pinalitan po natin yung eyepiece. This is a 𝗕𝗲𝗀 15mm eyepiece. Yun yung focal length ng eyepiece, 15mm. Alright, ayan, 𝗕𝗲𝗀 din. Alright, 1.25 barrel diameter. Ayan, so na-upgrade na po natin siya. Alright, so ayan po mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers. Ayan, so siguro mas maganda na yung viewing ng ating mga estudyante, yung mga viewing public dito sa ginagawa naming advocacy to share the telescope with the public. Yan, para mas maganda yung tingin, para mas ma-inspire yung mga tao. So, kailangan din i-upgrade yung mga ganitong equipment. Alright. So, there, mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers, this is the upgraded Mizar refracting telescope. The diameter of the objective lens is 68mm and a focal length of 1000 mm. And in-upgrade na natin to from 0.95 to 1.25 barrel diameter focuser. Alright. Alright, mga ka-Skywatchers, so that's it. This is again my Mizar refracting telescope. The diameter of the objective lens is 68mm and a focal length of 1000 mm. So, sana po nagustuhan nyo yung ating telescope review ngayong araw na to. And before we end, pakiusap lang po, please like and share this video so that we could reach more people. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there so that they will be engaged and they would be inspired to love the sciences. And don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and TikTok, the Skywatchers Society of Las Piñas. Alright, and always check our Facebook page for the schedules of our free public telescope viewings. Alright po, hanggang dito na lang po tayo. Maraming salamat. Live long and prosper. And don't forget to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Bye-bye po. See you on our next vlog. Bye-bye.